The importance of Python in the modern era. In the landscape of modern technology, few programming languages have achieved the level of influence and widespread adoption that Python enjoys today. Originally developed by Guido van Rossum in the early 1990s, Python has evolved from a simple scripting language into one of the most versatile and powerful tools available to developers, data scientists, and organizations worldwide. Its importance in the modern era is undeniable, not only because of its technical capabilities but also because of its role in shaping industries, enabling innovation, and empowering individuals to learn and create. Simplicity and readability. One of the main reasons Python has become so significant is its simplicity and readability. Its clean syntax, which closely resembles the English language, makes it easier for beginners to learn and for professionals to maintain. This accessibility has lowered the barriers to entry for people who want to step into programming. Today, students, researchers, and professionals from non-technical backgrounds use Python to automate tasks, analyze data, and build solutions without needing years of programming experience. Versatility across domains. Python's adaptability across multiple domains is one of its strongest advantages. It is not confined to a single industry or use case. In fact, Python is everywhere. Web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask power thousands of websites and applications, providing secure and scalable platforms for businesses. Data science and machine learning. Python is the backbone of modern artificial intelligence. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and Scikit-learn make it the go-to choice for data scientists and AI researchers. Automation. From writing scripts to automate repetitive tasks to building powerful bots, Python saves time and boosts productivity. Scientific computing. Researchers in physics, biology, and chemistry use Python for simulations, data modeling, and statistical analysis. Cybersecurity. Tools built in Python help security experts identify vulnerabilities, perform penetration testing, and analyze threats. This versatility ensures that Python remains relevant in virtually every technological field. Driving force behind AI and data science. Perhaps the most defining role of Python in the modern era is its dominance in artificial intelligence and data science. With the explosion of big data, organizations need tools to process, analyze, and draw insights from massive datasets. Python provides a perfect balance of ease of use, powerful libraries, and active community support. Giants like Google, Facebook, and Netflix rely heavily on Python for machine learning models, recommendation systems, and data-driven decision-making. Without Python, the progress of AI and data science would likely be slower and more restricted. Its ability to integrate seamlessly with other languages and platforms makes it an ideal bridge between research and real-world applications. Community and open-source support. Another factor that makes Python important today is its massive community. Millions of developers contribute to its ecosystem, constantly improving libraries, creating tutorials, and offering support. This open-source culture ensures that anyone can access Python for free, making it highly inclusive and accessible across the globe. For students, startups, and large enterprises alike, this accessibility reduces costs and accelerates innovation. Role in education and skill development. Python is now the first programming language taught in many schools and universities. Its gentle learning curve helps students grasp programming fundamentals without being overwhelmed by complex syntax. Furthermore, in professional development, Python is considered a must-have skill. Employers across industries value Python proficiency, and job postings requiring Python skills have surged in recent years. Economic and industrial impact. From finance to healthcare, industries depend on Python-based solutions. Financial analysts use it for modeling and risk assessment. Doctors and researchers rely on Python to analyze medical images, predict diseases, and manage patient data. E-commerce platforms use Python to personalize user experiences, while logistics companies optimize supply chains with Python-powered algorithms. By enabling innovation in such critical sectors, Python contributes directly to economic growth and societal progress. Future of Python. Looking ahead, Python's relevance shows no sign of diminishing. The continued rise of artificial intelligence, automation, and cloud computing means Python will remain at the heart of technological advancement. Its ecosystem will expand further, and new frameworks will continue to make it even more powerful and accessible. Conclusion. The importance of Python in the modern era lies not just in its technical features but in its ability to democratize technology. It empowers beginners to learn, professionals to innovate, and organizations to thrive in an increasingly digital world. From powering artificial intelligence to driving industrial transformation, Python has become the universal language of the modern technological age. Its blend of simplicity, versatility, and power makes it indispensable today, and ensures that it will remain a cornerstone of innovation for years to come.